Kailan ka dumating dito?
Kahapon lang po.
Kahapon. Para umatin ito, no? Sino na... ulit. State your name muna. Na-excite lang ako.
Hi, I'm Maria Teresa or Bing. They call me Bing.
Hi, Bing!
Okay, who's your MD Bing?
Mr. Jerry Sicoles.
Wow!
Ang gagaling talaga ng mga Jerry, no? Wala pa ka nga yung mga Jerry na ka. Puro na lang Jerry. Puro na lang kay Jerry. Wala bang Malvin? So, saan ka galing? Before you answer the next question, saan ka galing dumating ka kahapon?
Galing po ako sa Buanga City.
So, first time that you set foot here today, di ba? And then you decided to sign up today.
No, I signed up already.
Pagpunta mo dito. And then you decided to stay for the
For the
Upstart.
seminar, Upstart.
Okay, so pwede bang sabihin nyo, wow! So yung mga tiga-Cavite hindi makapunta dito, sabihin, ang layo, sabay try nyo tumira sa Zamboanga City. Di ba? Yung test, no? And, sige, so anong gusto mo sagutin dyan?
Why did I join IMG Business? Actually, yung friend ko nito from Zamboanga City, Mr. Junior Lopez, invited me, nandito pa siya. Sabi niya, about IMG, this is about the mentor. You mentioned the mentor is Brother Bo. Sabi ko, no question asked, I will join that. Kasi matagal ko na siyang hinahanap. So, yun. And then, why I like to join IMG? Because I wanna reach my dream in financial freedom. Kasi I've been with previous network or previous business. I got burned from those business, from those investments. So dito ko nakita na pwede pala mag-umpisa kahit sa maliit.
Thank you, Bing. Now,